Hey everyone. Welcome back to the Wire Network. Today I'm going to fix a problem many TP-Link CPE users face, especially the CPE610 and CPE510. When you try to open the CPE login page, the browser pops up with, "This site can't provide a secure connection even though the device responds to ping, the page still won't load." So in this video, we're going to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Firefox browser. In the address bar, type about, config and press enter. Next, Firefox will display a proceed with caution warning message. Click accept the risk and continue to access the advanced settings. In the search preference name field, find the option security.tls.version.min. Double-click it and change the value to 1. This allows Firefox to connect to devices using older SSL versions, like the CPE510. Next, locate security.tls.version.enable deprecated and set it to true. This allows Firefox to accept older, deprecated TLS versions used by the CPE510. After changing the settings, restart the Firefox browser. You can now access your TP-Link CPE device even if its SSL certificate is outdated. Once you access the device through the Firefox browser, update it to the latest firmware so it can be accessed from any web browser.